iOS 19 is acting wild, the iPhone 17 Pro might ditch buttons again, and Apple's future, let's just say it's giving plot twist energy. If you thought things were weird now, imagine Siri finally getting her act together, only to quit halfway through telling you the weather because, well, she's still kind of broken. You're not ready. Buckle up because we're diving into Apple's most chaotic moves yet. And yeah, we're going to laugh through the madness. Today, we're diving deep into Apple's wildest rumors, their chaotic behind-the-scenes drama, and why the next few years could either be revolutionary or hilariously disastrous. So buckle up because this is going to be one wild ride filled with jaw-dropping leaks, laugh-out-loud moments, and enough tech gossip to keep you entertained until WWDC rolls around. Let's go. But first, brace yourselves. Remember when iOS 7 shocked everyone by killing skeuomorphism? Well, history might repeat itself. According to John Prosser, iOS 19 is set to blow our minds with rounder app icons, floating tab bars, and a glass-like interface inspired by Vision OS. Sounds fancy, right? Like Apple hired someone who binge-watches IKEA catalogs for inspiration. Now, here's the kicker. If these changes actually happen, they'll make your home screen feel like a futuristic spaceship dashboard, or maybe just confuse millions of users who thought floating pill-shaped tab bar was something sold at a pharmacy. Either way, prepare to relearn how to use your phone again. And before I forget, there's even talk of customizable widgets that work seamlessly across devices. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. What do you think? Are rounder icons worth losing sleep over? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'm dying to hear them. All right, now on to the main event, the iPhone 17 Pro. Rumor has it this bad boy will come with a rear camera bump so massive it'll double as a doorstop. And guess what? Mark Gurman says the bump will match the color of the rest of the device instead of sticking out like a sore thumb. Classy move, Apple, really subtle. But hold on, folks, it's not all about looks. The iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to support simultaneous front and back camera recording, a feature currently reserved for third-party apps. Perfect for vloggers, pranksters, and anyone trying to film themselves eating hot wings while crying uncontrollably. Truly groundbreaking stuff. And did I mention the potential battery life improvements? Because honestly, if my phone dies faster than my motivation on Monday mornings, I'm switching brands. Stay tuned though, we've got more juicy details coming up. Fast forward to 2027 and things get even crazier. Apple's planning a bold new design for its 20th anniversary iPhone, complete with foldable screens and extensive glass usage. Yes, glass, as in drop it and watch your $2,000 phone shatter material. Smart move, Tim Cook. Truly visionary. Now imagine this, a foldable iPhone that transforms into a tablet-sized device. Sounds amazing, right? Until you realize it costs more than your car. But hey, at least you'll have something shiny to show off at family reunions. And let's be real, if Apple pulls this off, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold team will need therapy. But wait, there's more. Sources say Apple's also exploring OLED displays and thinner designs for other products, including the MacBook Pro lineup. Picture this, a laptop lighter than your guilt after skipping leg day. Cool, huh? Keep watching to find out when these gadgets hit shelves. Let's take a moment to talk about Siri, shall we? Poor thing can't catch a break. Despite Apple Intelligence promising to revolutionize voice assistants, internal chaos has delayed key features indefinitely. In fact, some of the demos shown during WWDC 2024 weren't even functional on test devices. Awkward much? Here's the tea. Indecision and constant leadership changes left engineers frustrated. One source described Siri as a hot potato bouncing between teams. Sounds less like cutting-edge tech and more like a middle school dodgeball game. So, what does this mean for us? Well, unless you enjoy yelling, "Hey Siri," repeatedly only to hear crickets, don't expect miracles anytime soon. On the bright side, Alexa and Google Assistant are laughing all the way to the smart speaker bank. If you're holding out for the perfect MacBook Pro, mark your calendars for 2026. Rumors suggest OLED displays, smaller camera cutouts, and possibly even 5G connectivity. Translation: sleeker, faster, and pricier. Just another day in Apple land. OLED screens offer deeper blacks and brighter colors. Great for binge-watching cat videos or pretending you're editing professional-grade footage. Bonus points if you pair it with Apple's rumored 18.8-inch foldable device. Your wallet may never recover, but hey, priorities. One last thing, if you're wondering whether upgrading now versus waiting is worth it, consider this. Would you rather save money today or drool over specs tomorrow? Tough choice, I know. Share your dilemma in the comments. And there you have it, folks. From iOS 19's redesign to the iPhone 17 Pro's ginormous camera bump and everything in between, Apple's future looks equal parts exciting and absurd. Whether you're hyped, skeptical, or just here for the memes, one thing's for sure, tech drama never disappoints. Before you leave, hit that like button harder than you hit snooze on Monday mornings. Smash subscribe so you don't miss any updates, and drop a comment letting me know which rumor excites you most. And quick question, are foldable phones the future or just a glorified gimmick? Let's debate. Thanks for hanging out, and remember, if your phone ever turns into a toaster, blame Apple. See you next time. Peace out.